Alright, so I'm going to be opening up the ultimate, whatever you want to call it, edition of the Midnight's new album, Monsters. It came in the mail today. We got this packaging here. It's supposed to be somewhat ecologically friendly, which is nice. More compact than a box. Okay. So, right up top we got a couple things here. We have the album itself on cassette tape. I got one of those on my vinyl player, so I'm looking forward to listening to that. We got a signed lanyard of the gentleman from the group. Shipping receipt. Faux pizza box with, oh, here we go. There we go. Floppy disk coasters. I mean, I guess they might work as floppy disks, but they're as good as coasters these days. And I think last, but certainly not least, t-shirt. And then we've just got this helpful cardboard here to make it a little more, oh, I take it back. This has something in it. Ooh. It's a activity book, zine, whatever you want to call it. And a photograph. Alright, well, that's that.